Have you ever been to an event where you see something truly epic happen, and by the time you whip out the camera and you press the shutter button, it seems that moment, that special moment has gone? It could be your kid scoring a touchdown in NFL, maybe they're hitting a home run in softball or baseball, or maybe they're kicking the winning goal at the footy. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use your Hero 9 or your Hero 10 to make sure that you don't miss any of those truly epic moments with this awesome feature called Live Burst. All right, so the first things we want to do is, once you turn your GoPro on, is we want to make sure we choose the photo setting. And we do that by pressing the mode button here on the left side of the camera. So we press it, see how the photo icon appears? Fantastic. Now once that appears, we press on this button down the bottom here. It's going to give you your options. It's going to give you your photographic options for the GoPro. So we have a choice of photo, burst, and live burst. Now, Live Burst is the one that we're going to be talking about today. Live Burst is super special because what happens is when you press the shutter button, your GoPro actually records 1.5 seconds before you take the shot, and then another 1.5 seconds after you take the shot. So it films a little short video essentially. But what it actually has in there too is 75 different frames. And from those 75 different frames, you can choose the perfect photo for you. So let's first of all go into the Live Burst option here. So if we press on that selection there, now we want to check our settings. So we're going to press on the pencil. It's going to bring up our splash screen there for Live Burst. We can see on the left you have a choice of megapixels. So if we click on that one, so with the GoPro Hero 9, you can select between 8 megapixels all the way up to 12 megapixels. And whenever you're happy with the size, we just press this button here to take you back to the main screen. Now the lens, as you see, has been grayed out to wide, so its default setting is wide. We can't change that. You can choose if you want to choose a schedule capture for it, so pick a time when it does take the photos. That's possible as well. It's all pretty straightforward. And there's also a timer option there too. So if you want to have the photos occur straight away, you leave it down the bottom on off, or you can slide it all the way to the top and you can have a 10-second delay time, or the middle option is 3 seconds. But today we're just going to keep the timer off. And you can also adjust the zoom too if you wish. So currently the zoom's on 1x zoom, and if you like you can make it up to 2x zoom, but we'll put it back to the original settings. Okay, so let's get out of here. So now we've chosen Live Burst. Mack, sit. Stay. Okay, folks. Mack, this is my... Mack, sit down. Sit. Stop. Stop. Sit. Sit. Mack. All right, folks. This is my dog, Mack, who doesn't, like most boys, doesn't listen to instructions. I'm trying to get him to sit here so he can look at you and say hi. Now, he's a 10-year-old dog of ours. Sit down. And he's a King Charles Spaniel cross, along with Maltese and a Shih Tzu. And some nights we think he has more Shih Tzu than anything else in him. Anyway, so he's going to be our demonstration person, or he's going to help us make this video today that's going to show how awesome Live Burst is. It's going to stay there. He's going to help me make the video today to show us how awesome Live Burst is. Mack, stay there. Mack, stay. Mack, good boy, that's it. Oh, okay, they say never work with children or animals, and it's true. All right, sit down. Stop, sit. Good boy. Sit. Oh my God. Oh. Okay, so we're gonna try it one more time, see if we can get this working, okay? All right, so as you can see, we've got the camera on Live Burst. In a minute, I'm gonna give Mack a call and we're gonna film him and get that perfect action shot. Right, Mack? Yes. Good boy. Look in the face. Perfect, just what I wanted. Yes. Good boy. All right, so what we have now is about 75 photos to choose from. As I said, we recorded for 1.5 seconds before the shutter hit and then another 1.5 seconds after. And from all those photographs we took, this is the one that I think looks the best. Well, there you have it. What do you think, Live Burst? It's such an awesome feature of your GoPro. Make sure you use it the next time you want to get that perfect action shot. You won't regret it. Hey, if you love GoPros as much as I do, and well, Mac does a little bit as well, you might want to check out this other video over here next. And remember, on this channel, I've got heaps of great tips and tricks about how you get the most out of your action camera, the GoPro. It's a really, really sensational little camera. As usual, thanks for watching. Really appreciate your company. And until next time, I'll see you later.